Do you want to monetize your YouTube channel in just 21 days? Do you want to learn the secrets of YouTube success from someone who did it? Do you want to see the exact steps and strategies that I used to grow my channel from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in just 1 week? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to reveal how I monetize my channel in just 21 days and how you can do it too. So, stay tuned and don't go anywhere, because this video is going to blow your mind.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel where I show YouTube channel tips and tricks and how to grow your YouTube channel. Also, how to make money online. Everything you need to know about making money with AI, it's right here on my channel.
In today's video, I'm going to reveal how I monetize my channel in just 21 days and how you can do it too. So, if you're interested in learning the secrets of YouTube success, make sure to watch this video till the end. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. So, you might be wondering, how did I manage to monetize my channel in such a short time? Well, it wasn't easy, but it was definitely worth it.
I followed 3-step process that I'm going to show you right now. But before I do that, let me explain to you what monetization is, and also what are the requirements to qualify for it.
Monetization is the process of earning money from your YouTube videos by enabling different features that allow you to generate revenue from your views, subscribers, and fans. Some of these features are ads, YouTube Premium, channel memberships. However, not every channel can access these features. You need to meet certain criteria to be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, which is the program that allows you to monetize your channel. Got it? Okay, let's continue for more. According to YouTube, the eligibility criteria for the YPP are as follows. You need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. You also need to follow the YouTube policies and guidelines, an AdSense account linked to your channel, and live in a country or region where the YPP is available. After these, you can check your progress and status on the Monetization tab in your YouTube Studio dashboard. Now that you know what monetization is and what are the requirements, let me tell you how I achieved them in just 21 days. I divided my journey into 3 main parts, corresponding to the 3 weeks of my challenge. For each part, I followed a specific strategy and action plan that I'm going to break down for you right now. Week 1, focus on meeting the eligibility criteria for the YPP. This was the most challenging and crucial part of my journey, as I had to grow my channel from scratch and reach the minimum thresholds of subscribers and watch hours. To do this, I applied the following tactics. I created engaging and consistent content that matched my niche and audience. I uploaded at least 3 videos per week covering topics that were relevant, trending, and valuable for my viewers. I also made sure to optimize my videos for SEO using keywords, titles, descriptions, tags, thumbnails, and captions that would help my videos rank higher and get more views. I promoted my channel on social media using platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok to share my videos and attract more traffic to my channel. I also joined relevant groups, communities, where I could interact with other creators and potential viewers and exchange feedback and support. I interacted with my audience, responding to their comments, questions, and suggestions, and asking them to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I also created polls, quizzes, and surveys to get their feedback and opinions, and to make them feel more involved and engaged with my content. By applying these tactics, I was able to grow my channel from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in just 1 week. Week 2. Focus on applying for and setting up the monetization features for your channel. This was the most exciting and rewarding part of my journey, as I was finally able to apply for the YPP and access the monetization features that would allow me to earn money from my videos. To do this, I followed these steps. I applied for the YPP by going to the Monetization tab in my YouTube Studio dashboard and clicking on the Apply Now button. I then accepted the YouTube Partner Program terms and conditions and waited for YouTube to review my channel and approve my application. This process took about 24 hours, and I received an email from YouTube confirming that my channel was accepted into the YPP. I linked my AdSense account to my channel by going to the Monetization tab in my YouTube Studio dashboard and clicking on the Link AdSense Account button. I then signed into my existing AdSense account or created a new one if I didn't have one already, and followed the instructions to link it to my channel. This step was necessary to receive payments from YouTube for the revenue I generated from my videos. I turned on the monetization features that suited my channel and audience by going to the Monetization tab in my YouTube Studio dashboard and clicking on the Monetization Settings button. I then went to each of my video recorded in week 1 and then turned on monetization on them. Let me show you how I did it. This would allow you to earn money on them. By following these steps, I was able to set up the monetization features for my channel and start earning money from my videos. Here are some screenshots of my YouTube Studio dashboard and settings that show how I configured the monetization options. Week 3. Focus on maximizing your revenue and growing your channel. This was the most fun and creative part of my journey, as I was able to experiment with different ways to increase my views, watch time, engagement, and earnings. To do this, I implemented the following tips and tricks. I improved my video quality by investing in better equipment, software, and skills to produce high-quality videos that would attract and retain more viewers. I also added more value to my videos by providing useful information, entertainment, inspiration, or education to my audience. I also added more variety to my videos by trying different formats, styles, and topics to keep my content fresh and interesting. I analyzed my performance by using the analytics tools that YouTube provided, such as the YouTube Studio dashboard, the YouTube Analytics report, and the YouTube Creator Studio app. I also used these tools to track and measure my revenue and growth, and to identify my strengths and weaknesses, and my opportunities and threats. I also use these tools to optimize my videos and channel by adjusting my strategy and tactics based on the data and insights that I gathered. By implementing these tips and tricks, I was able to boost my revenue and growth and take my channel to the next level. Here are some graphs and reports of my revenue and growth that show my achievements and learnings during this period. So that's how I monetized my channel in just 21 days, and how you can do it too. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and that you learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts and questions, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and anyone who might benefit from it. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I upload new videos 3 to 4 times in a week, and I have a lot of amazing content coming your way. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.